In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to reset your TikTok For You page. Take control of your TikTok For You page with these effective methods to fine-tune your feed and tailor the content to your interest. 1. Refresh your For You feed. Open the TikTok app and tap the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your profile page. And then select Settings and Privacy, Content Preferences. Tap Refresh for your feed and then tap Continue, and finally refresh to complete the process. 2. Mark content as not interested. After refreshing your feed, long press on any video that doesn't match your interest. Tap Not Interested to signal the algorithm that you don't want similar content. Optionally, unlike videos you have previously liked but no longer want to see on your For You page. To unlike videos, tap on the profile icon and go to your profile page. Tap on the heart icon below the bio to reveal your videos that you've liked. Scroll through the videos, tap on a type of a video you want to stop seeing, and then tap on the red heart icon to unlike it. By following these steps, you can reset and fine-tune your TikTok For You page to ensure personalized and enjoyable browsing experience tailored to your preferences. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.